is going on, you guys? It is Margie, aka Vape Tech Unboxed. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a 4K video camera from the company Cool Fun Cool, and I can't wait to show you guys. But before we get into the video, I do have to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump right into this video. Bam, here we go. This is the camera. Now it comes with everything. It comes with the shoulder bag, it comes with the light for night vision, it comes with a microphone, and it comes with a lens and the camera, of course. I couldn't wait to show you guys this. I'm super pumped about this one. Before we break into this box, I have to shout out Murphy for contacting me and asking me to take a look at this here on the channel. I said of course because I know there's a lot of people out there wanting to start YouTube channels, and I know for me, I did so much searching when I was gonna start this channel, and I wanted to see what my options were for camera and lens and all microphone, everything, you know. I needed to see options, so I thought this would be a great video to show you guys, because this could be the perfect option for you if you're looking to start a channel, or just for like family pictures, or you know, videotaping your kids grow up. This is actually a great camera. I did my research before I got this in. Now the camera itself is going to run you $242. If you've looked at cameras on Amazon, they're pricey. This is such a reasonable price for everything that you get, and it films in 4K. If you guys want to pick up their 1080p camcorder, that one's going to be a little cheaper. That one's going to come in at $149.99. So if you're interested in this, make sure you check out that description down below. You can find this on Amazon. You can also find their 1080p on Amazon. Let's go ahead and start breaking in this box. Got the presentation, got camera and shoulder bag. Cool Fun Cool, that's the brand here. Let's go ahead and open it up, and here we go. Nothing else in the box. We're gonna get that out of here. Whoa. Okay. Now that we have it out of the box, I'm going to adjust the camera a bit. All right, now that I was able to get all my lights situated and everything in a better position, let's continue. So like I said, if you are looking to start a channel, this actually might not be a bad choice for you. It comes with everything you need to start off right off the bat. Let's get into this bag and see what all they give you. Honestly, I'm telling you right now, they give you everything you need, literally everything. Okay, you open it up, you have a nice little pocket here for extra batteries or whatnot right here. Opening it up, you get user manual, you get the LED video light user manual, you get your stereo microphone user manual, 4K video camcorder user manual. Told you, everything you need is in this bag. Let's pour everything out and then we'll go through all of it. They have this stuffed in here. Look at so many things, jeez. Okay, I think we got everything out. That's a nice little pouch. It fit everything. They had everything nice and tucked in there. You also have a nice little pouch here for extra stuff, and another one on this side, and then this front pocket. You've got, okay, a shoulder strap and another big pocket, so that way you can store you know, your SD cards or whatever else that you may need with you. This is a nice solid bag here. Lots of space for everything you may need to take on you if you're shooting a video out and about and not at home. This is perfect. What else do we got? So here's the shoulder strap. Let's just undo this real quick. All right, all you gotta do is hook this up to here, and then there's one on this side. Hook it up to here, and now you can carry this with you around your neck. You don't have to hold it with your hand. So your camera's nice and secure. What else is in here? There's a lot of stuff. I know this is the camcorder, so we're gonna save that for last. All right, let's check out everything. There's so much stuff. We're gonna start in these little pouches, so let's pull everything out of the pouches. Here's a LED light. This is a nice size LED light. Has its own pouch, so when you're out and about, you take that with you. This here, let's see what this is. Let's pull this out real quick. All right, so here we've got our lens. Again, in its own little pouch. We don't actually need that, get that out of here. So when you're out and about, you can take that with you too. In this one, you got your microphone. All right, another little pouch. In here, we got a cable. This is a HDMI to mini HDMI, I think. So this is your HDMI cable. All right, get all that out of here. Cool thing about this camcorder, it also comes with an app, so you can do things on the app, like view your videos and stuff like that, which is really, really cool. Has a lot of functions. You can also use this at night. It does have night vision. The lens here is a wide angle lens, so you can fit more in your frame. You can film at night, has a microphone. This is all around just I mean, this is awesome. I'm so pumped about this because, you know, I was thinking of starting a second channel for gaming. This might be my main camera for that channel. I'm really leaning for it. We're gonna see how it works, of course. I'm gonna film a video with it maybe in the next couple videos and we'll see the quality of it. Right now we'll just check it out and see how everything goes together. This is a USB to mini USB, I believe. And that's pretty much it. Okay, this is a lens adapter. Let's get this out too. I'm trying to get everything out of the bag so that way you guys can see what it comes with. And then we'll go over the actual camera. Okay, got the lens adapter, and then these are like little batteries. I'm guessing they're for the light or the microphone, one or the other. So we got those out, get all this trash out of here. And then you have a nice little pouch for the actual camcorder. And here it is, wow, that's beautiful. All right, put those off to the side. This is everything you get in the box. If you didn't see these are 2 batteries. You have a spare one in case, you know, your main battery runs out on you, you have a spare. Let's see, touch panel. So you also get a nice touch screen for when you're dealing with your camera. You can touch this for different options and stuff. You can take beautiful night shots. You got 4K Ultra HD. You got 48 megapixels still image and recording. This is a 16 times digital zoom, f3.2, and this is a 7.36 millimeter lens. Just this. Let's see, what is this? This one is your macro lens. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a wide angle and macro. So if you want to get a close-up shot of a beautiful plant or something, you just unscrew this part and then you have this as your macro lens. Otherwise, keep it together, and this is going to be your wide angle lens. Beautiful lens that they send with it. This one's full HD 0.39 times super wide angle lens, Japan optic. Not too bad. All right, so this is everything. Let's see if these batteries work. Let's turn everything on. I want to show you guys what it looks like together and stuff. And like I said earlier, if you guys want to see like a video quality of it, I will shoot a video using this camera so that way you guys can see the quality. But for right now, let's see how everything works, get everything put together. You can attach it to a tripod here, which is really nice. I use tripods all the time. All right, let's see. I'm gonna just pull up the website, see if I'm missing anything. It does have Wi-Fi function, so the Wi-Fi connection is quiet, stable, enables you to transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone or share with your friends. So whatever you're filming, you can get on their app and connect via Wi-Fi to your camcorder, and you can send it directly to your phone. It does have IR night vision, so you can record at night. Let's start putting batteries and stuff. So you do need some batteries for the light. This looks like AA battery, so we'll do this last because I have to go on a hunt for some batteries. But on the light here, it does have the connector, so that way you can connect it directly onto your camera. So you'll slide that out and you can connect the light, and then the light has these slots here, so that way you can connect your microphone. So if you want to have it like this, let me just tighten it so it doesn't fall. So if you want to go shooting like this, you can have it all hooked up together, one on top of the other, or you can place your microphone, you can place it on either side of the light. So it doesn't really have to be on top because it actually has a slot, not on either side, it actually just has a slot right here to this side. So if you want to go for this look here, you know, have your camcorder and then your light and your microphone, you can do that, or you can have the microphone up top. Very convenient. They thought of everything. If you're walking around with this hooked up like this with your light and your microphone, you're gonna look like a professional YouTuber. Let's get the lens put on here. I want to show you guys what it looks like with the lens on. I believe you need this adapter, so you'll need this little adapter. It did come with one. All right, and then we'll take off the lens cap. Be really careful, you don't want to scratch up your lenses. And then just screw it in. Now this looks fancy. What do you think? Looks good. Looks good to me. Okay, this is gonna be for your microphone, so I don't think you need batteries for your microphone. Or do you? All right, so in here is gonna be the battery slot for your microphone. I think it just needs one. Let's double check. They sent two, which is good. So if you need two, they have it here. So the microphone itself has adjustable settings. You can set it to your liking. Let's turn it on. Let's use one of these batteries. I'm curious, how do you charge these batteries? It didn't come with like a charger, so I'm wondering if you charge it just in the camera, and then I'm assuming that's why you have this, and then I'm guessing this just plugs directly into your camera. Here's your SD card slot. Here's where your battery goes. You just slide it in like this. Boom, it clips right in. Where is the port to charge? Ooh, it just turned on. Okay, here we go. There's a little flap right in here, and that's where your HDMI cable gets placed, so you can do transfers to your computer, or let's say I have some videos on here and I want to watch them on the TV or the computer. I can just plug the HDMI into the TV or the computer, other end into here, and I can watch them. So when you want to charge up your batteries, you have to leave them connected to the camera, your mini side here, and then the micro USB to the wall adapter, and then boom, stick it into the wall adapter. That's how you're gonna charge up these batteries. And then this one right here is for your 3.5mm headphone jack. That'll plug into your microphone. So it's gonna plug into this right here. If you're gonna use the external microphone, you gotta plug it in, make sure it has batteries, and you're good to go. Okay, let's check out these settings real quick. I want you guys to see this. So inside we have our menu button, takes us to the menu. We have our play, so you can play old videos that you already have stored on your SD card. You have your arrows, so you can make different selections, night vision, your power, and your Wi-Fi button. But let's go ahead and flip it over. I want to show you guys what there is to offer. So right now it is not recording because I didn't put an SD card in yet, but you can see the screen here. It says 2K right there. Let's see. Let's go to menu. It is touchscreen. So here we got resolution, loop recording, motion detection, and date stamp. On the top we have mode, photo, and then your zoom in and out. So if you want to make a selection, you can use your arrows to go down, or you can just touch it. Okay, loop recording, we'll turn that off. We'll go up to resolution. I'm just gonna use the arrows because it's a little easier, so that way I can show you guys. We'll go up to resolution, we'll click it, and we have 2880 by 2160 at 24 FPS, 2560 by 1440 at 30 FPS, 1920 by 1080p 60 FPS, 1920 by 1080p at 30 FPS, 1280 by 720 at 60 FPS, and 1280 by 720 at 30 FPS. So you can film in 4K, 2K, and then your standard filming 1080p. So I'm gonna do the 1920 by 1080p 60 FPS. Let's see, motion detection. Let's see what that is. We're gonna leave that off for now. Date stamp off. Okay, now let's go to these other settings here. Here's your Wi-Fi. Right now it's off. Then you have your date and time, auto power off, and the beep sound if you want to turn that off or on. So those are your settings there, and you can touch anything on the screen as well. Let's see, I think I just turned, whoa, that's changing something with the tint. So I believe this is going to be your night button, but you can also switch it into night mode here as well. So there's a mode button up here. Okay, so this is filming, this is picture taking. So your mode button will either put you on filming or to take a picture. This toggle here on the top is going to zoom in and zoom out. The wide angle lens actually gets a lot. Obviously right now you guys can't see the best quality because all my lights and stuff, but I'll film a video with it and we'll go from there. Okay, I think I just turned on night vision. You guys can see it's like in black and white. You see how it turned to black and white a little bit? That's their night vision. This is to start and stop. It says please insert a card. This is a nice setup. If you guys are looking for something like this something to make some videos, maybe take some pictures, make really good high quality videos, but you don't want to spend an arm and a leg like $500 for a camera, I mean, this is a great option. I don't see why not. I don't see why this couldn't be a fantastic option. If you are looking to start a YouTube channel, I wish I would have known this before I went and bought a DSLR when I started my YouTube channel. I ended up spending like almost close to $500 on my camera. If I could have got away with spending, you know, a little over $200 and everything was included, I had to buy separate LED lights. I had to buy an external microphone. All this stuff came separate. This is the full package. You don't have everything you're gonna need. Don't get me wrong. I mean, you're always gonna need more, but in the future, as you're growing your channel, as you come up with different ideas, better ideas, you're gonna grow your channel, right? So you're gonna collect things, you're gonna buy things that you need. It's not all gonna happen at once. You're gonna take some time to get everything that you need, but at least here you have the basics. You have what you need to get started. Everything in this package is enough to start a YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and leave the link for this package down below in the description so you guys can check it out when you're done here. That's gonna wrap up this video. I just wanna say a big shout out to Murphy for sending this out. I appreciate it. I'm going to use it. I'm gonna film videos on it. I also want to say a big shout out to my true MVPs because you guys rock. Everybody who supports me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, and who also support me on my other channel. If you guys want to follow me on any of my other platforms or social media links, all those are gonna be down below in the description. If you guys have any questions about the camera, make sure you drop that down below in the comments. And also, let me know what you guys think about this. I want to know what you guys feel about this package, so put that down below as well. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.